Welcome to this week's Tip Tuesday. My name is Parker Johnson. I am your IndySoft trainer. Wanted to bring you actually a new feature brought in from 14. Version 14 is tracking statuses. Now, you may ask, what have you guys changed regarding tracking statuses? We changed where you can now find them. So, on the left-hand side, on the Add Edit list, you can go under the system-wide category here and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see tracking statuses. In this new list, you'll see all of your available tracking statuses that you guys have. You can add new ones. You can even edit them by double-clicking on the tracking status or clicking on the little pencil icon here. Double-clicking these tracking statuses, keep in mind these edit the current and the in transit fields. These are important because these are our transitionary fields. On the equipment view here, what allows these little dynamic fields here to change depending on what I change the tracking status to, you'll see vendor is one of the options and sent by is one of the options. When in reality, sent by is just an alias field here, and the abbreviation for that, we'll see that under vendor, sent by is actually just the employee label. Nonetheless, this helps makes things easier because we don't have to go through Layout Builder and then go to the flowchart and then go to the tracking statuses tab here to edit and change or even just look at our tracking statuses. Long story short, we can go to our system-wide category and go all the way down to tracking status and see a list of them. Thank you so much for watching, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a great day.